I sold my couch to buy this account. Right now, I'm about to lose this account. And it might sound like it's a dumb decision, but yes, I know what I'm getting into before I took that risk by selling my couch. Hey guys, I just entered this trade right now on gold 15 minutes time frame. You can see the time now is 2:30 and currently we are in drawdown though. But the reason why I entered this trade was because of this push down, this push up, right? Even though this might be a sensitive level to take this trade, but I'm risking just $100 on this trade. I'm expecting this price to push up to this level. Yeah, let's see how this thing play out. If win or loss, I'm going to update you guys later. Alright guys, see, I just closed this trade. I just entered right now. You can still see the time. So I just closed this trade. I just entered now. And let me explain to you guys. Reason for that trade. So it's not like I'm scared or anything. Okay, because I was just risking just $100 on that trade. But the reason why I closed this trade was because of this is not my setup. This is not what I wrote. This is not the kind of setup I like trading. It's a good setup, right? Yes, everyone can argue with it. Like what I just saw now might work out. This trick can still work out, but I just have to call myself back again because this is one of the things that I usually do. That today's Monday and I'll be sitting down is Monday. Maybe I'm just taking this trade out of impulse because I just like taking trade from just solely from supply and demand. You can see this level was something. Let me show you guys. This is a sensitive level because this trade can still refer from this level to push down. So if I don't have going to be taking trade, this would have been a sell from the solar block to go down. But hey, this is a uptrend, right? So I'm not there. That don't have anything to do with a sell. That's why I'm not going to be entering sell from this level. So that's why I just closed this trade out. But because I feel like this trade, I was taking this trade out of impulse because I've been staying here since morning, and you can see this push up. Okay, I felt like okay, this thing should, and this thing can still work, right? Because this is the level. I want this thing to push up to take out this high, but before I would get in on this, I want to say a rejection to this other block level here or demand level here for me to go in for a buy to take out that high. I might not take a trade today, but I'm grateful that I made the right decision, not in any way of being feared, but the right thinking. So this would have been a loss, as I just explained before. This would have been a loss if I'm seeing this trade. This would have been a loss, and you can see the result of calling yourself back when you're trying to make a mistake, right? So this is something that always caused me to lose my money every single time because of I was bored. You can see the time is still almost 3 p.m. right now. So that right there is a good decision that I made today. I'm going to come back tomorrow and going to still do my thing. Right now you can see a tripod here. I want to shoot a video for my Instagram video mount, guys. So I want to shoot a video right now for my Instagram. Talking about you're going to see the video. So if you don't know, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, this is my Instagram handle. So you can use this handle to follow me on my Instagram, guys. Alright, so I have this buy limit order here. You can see it's not triggered yet. I just set it now, good. Yeah, let's see how this one play out. I've already mistakenly took a loss this morning, $27 loss. So we are in a trade now. Alright, so I'm risking $80 something here on this trade. I think this trade is moving close to this trade is spiking against me with force, man, but I'm going to let it be. Whether it's a win or loss, I'm going to see. I'm putting my stop loss below here because of that loss. Okay, I want to limit myself to be risking at least only 120 or just 1% in a day. Since I've mistakenly took a loss this morning, I don't think it's a wise for me to be increasing my risk here. Putting my stop loss here will be making me to be risking above $100. That's why I'm putting my stop loss just below this candle. Whether win or loss, I'm going to let you guys know. So let's see how this trade play out. So I'm going to start screen recording right now. Alright guys, so for today, let me check my phone to see how much I have lost today, because I just closed out this trade right now. You can see. I'm going to show you guys in a minute why I closed out that trade. Okay, you can see this is the current account balance. So overall, I'm down this much. Overall, $737, bro. That is too much. Okay, let's check for today to see how much we have lost for today. So for overall for the day, we have lost $35. And now let me explain to you guys the reason why I closed that trade. You can see that here, this was a liquidity level, and this kind of just take out this liquidity. So mostly when market take out, I don't like entering trade. I think I'm entering trade on a high. So I like to enter trade when market is about to take out the liquidity. So me entering trade here now, I don't really have a price I'm targeting. Okay, so that is why I closed out that trade, because mostly this liquidity market take out now. So there should be a retracement, maybe retracement on this other block here before pushing up. So I look at where I set my stop loss before, and I was like, okay, market most likely maybe retrace down here, right, to use this as support level for pushing up. So that's why I closed that trade on a loss. But let's see how it plays out. So if this kind of push down to this level, this will be a great level for me to buy from. Okay, because I mean this will be a great level for me to buy from. Now that right here would have been a loss. You can see it. You guys can see what I wrote did here. So you can see this candle from the 1 hour time frame is tracing down. So that would have been a loss, and that is why I closed out that trade. Yeah, let's wait for this candle to push down to this level. This level I don't really like. This level can still hold, but I prefer this other block here, or demand level here, because it has Chevrolet gap here. That's where I would prefer to buy. Put my stop loss below here, and let's see it's going to play out.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so you can see this is what we're looking at now. So you can see I want to be entering buy from this level, but you can see the time now is 1:20. So, and there is news coming out by 3 o'clock. So I want to wait. I don't want to be on the trade before the news, but I just hope this will keep on raging here. Maybe the news should push it down to this level, then we can get in a buy. But here, this level is what is respecting now. So hopefully it will not take out this high. It will just keep on ranging before the news. So whichever one, so if I enter this trade, I'm going to let you guys know. So guys, it's raining right now. Okay, I don't know how bad this rain will be disturbing this screen, because I'm not using my mic here. But I want to show you guys something, right? Let me show you guys something before we continue talking. So you can see, if you remember that I was waiting for this price, this candle with my phone previously, I was waiting for this thing to come down to this other block before I'm going for a buy. Guys, look at it. Now see the danger of analyzing with your phone, right? Because that moment I was inside my room because I was so tired. I just have to be using my phone to be shaking, because since I already know where I want to get in for a buy, right? I wanted to like using my phone to be looking at the market, because there's no point of me. There's no light, and I don't consume my phone, my laptop battery. I don't want to go down. So that was why I was using my phone to monitor the market. I showed you guys when this thing was dropping, and I showed you guys I want this to keep on raging to get to this level. This is where I want to buy. Now look at it now, and this is the reason why. Let me show you guys something from the 1 hour time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Now if I come to the 1 hour time frame, if you guys remember when I said that I want this thing to drop, right? Why I close out the buy, I want it to drop to this other block to get in for a buy. So, but from the 15 minutes time frame, right, I was waiting for it to, like, this is the danger of refining. I was waiting for it to come down to this level, this other block, particular other block, before I would get for a buy. Why? If I was looking at this thing from the 1 hour time frame, this level is really perfect for me to go in for a buy. So I don't know, like, I don't really know. Seriously, this is really annoying. To be honest, this is really annoying. But what can I do? I can't just use because of this right now to go and start dropping on a buy at this moment, because if I get in on a buy right now, it's going to be really annoying. I might end up taking a loss. and I'll start regretting it. But this is kind of thing that happened to me in the past, that once I took a loss, right now, once I miss a setup, I will angrily just go in to re-enter the trade, regardless of where market is at. And as at that time, there is no specified level that there is no right level for me to put my stop loss, and I'll just put my stop loss randomly. And once market start decreasing, I will just panic and go and close this trade, which is not something I want to be involved right now. Looking at this thing right now, this is pushing up and it's really painful, to be honest. It's really painful. I kept on looking at myself instead of looking at the rest. And this is the reason why I don't like filming with front camera, but in that ways, no problem, guys. So I have to wait to see what the news can do. Hopefully the news can still push the candle down to the level I want it to get it far away my buy. If I see any setup today, I'm going to let you guys know. Remember, today is Wednesday, and yeah, let's see if you can see anything to trade today. Hey guys, so I don't know at this point, I don't really know. I just made the same mistake that just put me in this big drawdown right now. Like, you guys know that I've been carrying guys along so far today. I've been following my rules, but just right now, let me show. I'm going to show you guys. I saw a setup, right? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. But before that, let me show you guys how much. Remember that I was in 4.something% drawdown, right now. Guys, just look at. Almost 6% drawdown. So I only have not up to $500, $600 maximum drawdown to just lose. Let me just show you guys. Like, I'm really pissed at this point, guys. So see my account balance, guys. And see today's loss, $200. Like this fourth position that I entered. Now let me show you guys the thing here. This fourth position is here. Let me unlock this thing so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, so this is it here. When this candle pushed up, right, and this retracement to this other block here, because of I've been really I've not taken any reasonable trade in a while, I started stacking buy from this other block. Started stacking back buy. The same thing. You guys remember this was the same exact behavior that put me in this drawdown. I started stacking buy from this level, and this is it here. All of them. I didn't even have time to post SL because as I was stacking by, the trade was moving against me. I had to close. This was the only one I put SL. I had to close. Like, now this was just the one I just entered right now, SL. Because of this candle retracement, I entered sell here, broke even, and this has stopped me out. At this point, I don't really know again. Like this is really annoying, to be honest. I don't know if I should enter a buy again because I want this candle to drop to this other block if I will get in for a buy. I don't really know at this point. At this point, I'm really tired. Like my phone don't want to even stay in one place. Like, I'm 5.8%, 5.81% drawdown right now. Like, what's going on? I don't know. What is going on, guys? I know how to trade. Like, I have a very good edge. Just stay disciplined. Follow your rules. But some days you sit down here, I'm staying alone, and I just stay here every single day, come back here to look at this setup, look at the market, and it can be this thing can be exhausting. Like, I swear, I don't know, like, this is part of the reason. This is a part that people don't show you. And for someone like me who stays alone, and I rarely go out, and I don't have any other thing that's giving me money except this on YouTube. In the future, I can still add in, but for now, only trading. But it's crazy, to be honest. It's crazy. Like, I don't know, seriously. At this point, this is, I don't know how to express myself right now, because this is really pissing me off, to be honest. Because why can't I just follow my rule? I know that this multiple position was because of, since Monday I've been here, since Monday, Tuesday, this Wednesday, and I wanted to just capitalize on the opportunity, and I stacked, guys. I've missed that one I just explained from the 1 hour time frame. I stacked in position. Now, that same thing that caused me to be in this drawdown, I'm trying to struggle to come out. So something that made it, I now went even deeper. I don't know, guys. I think I'm going to end this. I'm going to edit this one and post it maybe tomorrow. Saturday again, I'm going to also document the one. If I'm going to trade tomorrow, being Thursday and Friday, I'm going to let you guys know. But see, this is it. I don't know. Like trading can be something else. To be honest, trading can be something else. It's just simple, right? You can know how to trade and still be losing money. So right now, I'm trying to show you guys the reality of a trader. Okay, and I believe that I'm still going to come out from this thing. I'm going to still make money. This account right now, I'm trying to detach myself. Even though right now, to be honest, almost everything, all my hope is on this account. Like every single thing is on this account. I'm not going to lie. I don't come here and pretend that see whatever happens is fine. But right now, all my hope, like everything, I sold my couch to buy this account. Right now, I'm about to lose this account. And it might sound like it's a dumb decision, but yes, I know what I'm getting into before I took that risk by selling my couch. And this account right now is already in 6% drawdown, 5.8% drawdown. If I lose this account, I think I'm going to, I don't know, like wherever I see myself, then who knows. But yeah, I'll catch you guys. If I take a trade tomorrow, maybe in the next video you guys will see it. I don't know. At this point, I'm going to see you guys later.